guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Great Shining Star. How are you all? We are fine at present, ready to go in the district hospital because doctor had advised me to collect the blood test report and then the echo report and to come and show. So I'm going today since it is Easter tomorrow, but let's see, hope for the best. I don't know whether the doctor will be there or not, but Saturday he comes, I know his day. So I'm going with the son, but while coming I don't know what I have to do. If in case if the doctor is there and the test is done, everything checkup is done, sorry, so then I will be coming with the son only, otherwise I will have to come by bus. Oh no! This is what, so see you guys. Guys, right now I am reached near the district hospital. Let's see what number I'm getting. Also I need to collect the blood test which I have done last time, and then I have to meet the doctor. The doctor name is Swapnil, the heart specialist.
Okay.
Guys, right now I'm in the canteen to have my breakfast. Guys, my test is done and I will tell you all at home once I reach home, because my son is getting late. He'll drop me home and then he will go back.
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Great Shining Star. I reached home safely. My son dropped me and he went for his work. At sangot tumka doctor ankit salte. Okay. Doctor said the report is okay, but little bit heart problem I have to be careful whatever I'm doing, wherever I'm going. So, and that breathing problem I'm getting, it's because some years back I had removed the fluid from back, so because of that I'm getting the breathing problem, and also little bit of heart problem also I'm getting the breathing problem. That's what the doctor said. Doctor said if I can walk, do walk. If I cannot do walk, don't do the walk. And he told me to use less oil and not to eat spicy. हे सगळे डॉक्टरान सांगला. Okay, otherwise I am okay, he said. I was much worried. So this is what. Now I have to change my clothes and start cooking.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
I'm back again, guys. Forgot to tell you some things. Doctor advised me not to lift any heavy things. Secondly, he said like my body will not accept any tiredness because my bones are very weak. It's ugra say na anan kit sangalte. Anyway, just keep me in your prayers. Whatever tablets I have to finish all those. Okay, so see you guys. I'm going to start something now for cooking. I have to start a little bit cooking now. Since son is not there, I cannot stop cooking because I also need to eat something. Jopa this na, but even then Tablets are there. For that purpose, I have to put something or the other in my tummy. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Great Shining Star. येईन कोण जायत काम कोण काढलें करेला भाजी शिजोता आणि जेली कोण काढल्या जेली पॅकेट आय हॅड ब्रॉड लॉंग बॅग इट वॉज इनसाइड सो ती जेली केली दाखयता गाइस हियर यू सी द जेली अजून बोलांक आयलो ना हांड्यान तूं हा मागीर घालतले मागीर करेला भाजी
नाइस
जालें आनीक कांय नाका ब्रेड नाल्यार चपाती कितें बुडयन हायल्या पुरती भाजी फाल्यां हाली चोवपाचें बाबा कांय आसना जेवणाक व्हडली रातीक वजाय तेका येयली म्हणटरी कितें ना कितें सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आय हॅव टू डू समथींग सो सी
The next day.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Great Shining Star. Wish you each and everyone a happy Easter. Guys, म्हाका मिसा वचो मेळना कित्याक सगळी तयारी केलोली बट in the midnight around 10:30 something I had a very severe pain in my joints, leg pain, hands pain. Then I had a fever also. Then I was thinking to go in the morning, but even then I was not all right. Now it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Little feeling better. Open na kiss all of a sudden. Also, today being a Easter, there is nothing in the house to prepare food, and I don't want to prepare also because I can't. Now, little karela bhaji is there that I will eat in the afternoon, and son is already gone for his this thing. So when he is not there, what to prepare? Only yesterday jelly I had prepared and kept in the freeze, thinking that I will cook the food today, but the plan is flopped. जायना हेल्था बरें ना हांव म्हाका कितें जाता आनी कितें ना म्हणून अशें लॉंग ब्रीथ गेले न्हू म्हाका पेन येता अर्द्या don't know what is going to happen. Let's see. No, nothing I am going to do. I just lie down for some time. Son, he already had his breakfast and he went. Yeah, I asked him whether I cook something. He is telling me no, mama don't want anything. मैं चेड्यांना खावपा जाल्यार आनी म्हज्या पोटांनी खंय जेयतलें. So you enjoy the happy Easter, everyone, my YouTube family, and even those who have not subscribed my channel, see that you all subscribe. For you all also, I have very happy Easter. So see you guys.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Guys, Ravina and they all plan to go out. They took the tickets also. But I don't know how I will go with them because I have to take care of my son. First he's dead. Second, he comes very tired in the midnight. So he is not eating food outside. He wants to eat here at home only. So he needs me. One point is that. Secondly, neither I'm going for a job since 1 year now. So there is no income. So how I will go, I don't know. And I don't know. My health is also not keeping well, and the thing is luggage problem. Who will carry my luggage? When my son was going, my son used to carry the luggage. No, yeah, I can't go. I really can't go. Not even 5% in my mind to go for a tour. Not even 5%. So see you guys.
No, God, please, no, no.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, Great Shining Star. I took a rest for some time lying down. Guys, I know you people must be getting disturbance from my neighbors. They are very close to me, next wall only. They are not going the outsiders. They don't know how to behave, what to do. मुगे मजबूरी रागोन मकी राव पापट्टा आनी कित करो देव को मगता मुगे चेड़ेगे मुझे जाले पुरो and then I will be free. भुरग्यां लागून जियेपान मेनन कितें उरलां आमगेलें आतां वयता मातशें आतां ऑलरेडी 2 वर जायी येयली मातशें वयता आनी भावान मेसेज घायल्यो की नुस्तें आहा भितर व्हडलें फ्रांसकान दिल्लो आसा तेची ग्रीन कोरमू सो जस्ट गोईंग एंड डुईंग दॅट and evening I'll do little pulao, that's it. So guys उठोन मातशें तशें केलें पूण जायना चड वगत उबो रावपा एक मुगे भेंडूय म्हाका पेन जावपा लागलें शायज back is giving me a lot of problem. हांव विसोच न्हू पयलीं I would like to tell 2 of my subscribers, Avita and Belinda. They are continuously watching my vlogs and they are very much concerned about me. Thank you so much. तुमकां लागून न्हू तर हांव आयज हे भाशेन आहा देवा कृपेन तुमच्या मागण्यांनी हांव जाणा बाकीचोय लोक चोयताय my blogs but they don't comment, so that's why I don't come to know who's watching and all. Even then I thank each and everyone, those who are watching continuously my blogs, and even you can tell others also to subscribe my blog so that I can move on. जायनानी मातशें नानको आडपडो वयता बाबान ब्रेड हाडलो हा स्लायस ब्रेड तो स्लायस ब्रेडूय घेता आनी हातांनी टॅबलेट घेता आनी मातशें आडपडटा जायना इवन चेस्ट पेन ऑल्सो आय एम गेटींग लॉंग ब्रीथ करूं जायना म्हाका लॉंग ब्रीथ करपाक गेले जाल्यार काच 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 को मारता हिंग सारकें ओके
यार मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है मेरे को भी हो रहा देखिए
Yeah guys, I'll eat this little karela bhaji and then I'll take a tablet and go to sleep. I can't really. त्याचो शिजोता बाबान ग्रीन करूं लायले तें नुस्त्याचें. Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Grace Shining Star. I'm still on the bed. नित्तोम मातशें आडपटोम चोयतालें हिंगे न्ही बरें बडे 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 तेजे न्हीद पडटा आयकाय येचोय आयकताय खबर ना किसो खबर घेवन येताय न्ही मातशें आडपडपा म्हणल्यार दिनाय सायबा बेजार साहेब मी जोर अजून गेलो ना जोरूय वचना बॉडी पेन जाती अजून पेन जाता डोंट नो. Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Grace Shining Star. Guys, sorry I forgot to take the video of Ravina and Ananya had come to wish me, and while coming she brought this. I'll show you. Yeah, the cake and patties also. She was sitting quite a long time over here but I forgot. सारकी तकलेंतल्यान गेले अशें कॅप्चर करपाक सो पुलाव करून काडला ध्यान रावून मातशें आतां ओके दिसलां बट जोर गेलो ना अजून. So anyway, so do like, share, comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel Grace Shining Star. Good night and God bless you all. Once again, happy Easter to each and everyone. Bye bye.
अब तुम लोग गलती से अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए. अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे मुठिया पेलने जाना है. बाय.